Welcome to week 2. This week we're going to discuss professional etiquette in a community health setting, as well as professional codes of conduct and some of the legal implications associated with these. So for this week's discussion, you're going to talk about the difference and similarities between professional and non-professional etiquette in community health settings, and you're going to talk about the outcomes of community health care workers addressing a conflict, legal, or social issue in a non-professional manner. What could happen to them if they don't use professional etiquette. Remember to use research to support your discussion and your replies to your classmates. And as always, you want to review the rubric every week and make sure that you're getting the grade that you want to get. So take a look at that. And if we move over to the assignment, this week is a case study. So after you read over the case study, you're just going to evaluate it using these guidelines. So you'll identify where the conflict or legal and social issues are. You'll talk about where there was unprofessional conduct versus professional conduct. Describe how the community health worker did not use the etiquette when interacting in the situation, and how you think Mrs. Merkley and her family felt about their interactions with Taylor. Talk about where Taylor did show appropriate professional etiquette, and identify at least 2 strategies that could have been employed for the healthcare worker to maintain the professional etiquette. Remember to bring in research to support your discussion. Use APA format. Don't forget that you have the resources on the home page in your course module with help with APA formatting, and that you can use the tutor as needed. And also, I'm always here if you need any questions answered. And again, don't forget to look at the rubric every week and grade yourself with that so that you can get the grade that you want to get. So I hope that you have a wonderful week. And like I said, if you have any questions, please send me out an email. Take care.